Hi parents, this is Teacher Fikri. I'm going to teach you on how you can teach your kids to jump up and down on trampoline, but this time using visual prompt. So let me remind you that prompting is to guide or to assist. So how can you assist your kids to jump up and down on trampoline using visual? So what you can do is to draw out the steps that they need to do. First, draw a person standing upright, and then number 2, knee bend, 3, he fits off, and then number 4, up, and then draw the number 5, which is down, so that they can see visually, oh, these are the steps that I need to do. First, stand upright, knee bend, fits off, lift body up, and then down. So you can try drawing the steps down so that they can see visually. So this is the thing that you can use as a visual prompt.